case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2005 patent dispute between AJ Manufacturing Company and Lisle Corporation, the United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit reaffirmed that the challenger of a patent's validity bears the burden of proof. The case centered around United States Patent 5,287,776, which relates to an inner tie rod tool for automobiles, designed to simplify the removal of tie rods for mechanics. The district court had previously granted summary judgment in favor of Lisle Corporation, finding that AJ Manufacturing Company infringed on the patent. AJ Manufacturing appealed the decision, but the Federal Circuit upheld the lower court's ruling and interpretation of the term retainer. The court determined that AJ Manufacturing's product infringed on the patent and dismissed their public use defense as meritless. Additionally, the court noted that AJ Manufacturing waived its defenses of indefiniteness and impossibility. Ultimately, the Federal Circuit upheld the district court's decision, denied AJ's motion for JMOL, judgment as a matter of law, and confirmed the patent's validity.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.